Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to download apps on Windows 11. Whether you're looking for apps from the Microsoft Store or downloading directly from websites, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the easiest method, downloading apps from the Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store in the search bar and click to open it. Once the Microsoft Store is open, you can use the search bar at the top to find specific apps. Click on the app you want to download, then click the Get or Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You can also browse through categories to find the apps you're looking for on the home page. Now, if the app you want isn't available in the Microsoft Store, you can download it from the developer's website. Here's how to do it safely. Open your favorite web browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. In the search bar, type the name of the app, for example, OBS download. Click on the link to the app's official website or a trusted source. Find the download button and click it to start downloading the app's installer file. Once the download is complete, open the installer file, follow the on-screen instructions, and the app will be installed on your PC. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep your downloads safe and secure. Always download from trusted sources and keep an updated antivirus program running to scan for potential threats. And that's it. Downloading apps on Windows 11 is super easy once you know how. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.